Section 3 Wi-Fi, HTTP servers and over-the-air updates on ESP32. In this section, we will cover the following topics: operating modes of Wi-Fi in ESP32, Wi-Fi station mode implementation, Wi-Fi soft AP mode implementation, HTTP server overview and implementation, over-the-air updates overview, OTA implementation with ESP-IDF. Video 3.1 Operating modes of Wi-Fi in ESP32. In this video, we will cover the following topics: Wi-Fi capability of ESP32, station mode aka STA mode, AP mode aka soft AP mode. ESP32 boards are embedded with TCP/IP full 802.11b/g/n/e/i WLAN MAC protocol. This means that ESP32 can either get connected to a Wi-Fi router or act as an access point to which other devices can get connected. ESP32 also supports Wi-Fi Direct, which means ESP32 can also get connected to the Wi-Fi without any access point in peer-to-peer connection. ESP-IDF libraries provide support for various Wi-Fi configurations. Some of them are as listed below: station mode, soft AP mode, station and soft AP coexistence mode, scanning for all active and passive access points. Out of these four, we will discuss two Wi-Fi configurations in brief in this video. We will be implementing the same later in this course. Station mode is also known as STA mode. ESP32 in Wi-Fi station mode can get connected to an access point, for example, a router, and the user can avail the chip's Wi-Fi capabilities. In STA mode, let us say your ESP32 is connected to a router, then the router will assign a unique IP address to the ESP32 chip. Using that IP address, ESP32 can communicate with other devices connected to the same network. In Wi-Fi station mode, we have the internet connection to our ESP32 board, so we can publish any data to the online platforms, get data from the existing APIs, or use icons and images from the internet, etc. AP mode is also known as access point mode or soft AP mode. As discussed earlier in this video, an ESP32 can also act as an access point. So, if the ESP32 board is set as an access point and other devices can get connected to the ESP32 board, it is said to be in soft AP mode. In making ESP32 an access point, we create a Wi-Fi network for nearby Wi-Fi capable devices like smartphones, laptops, etc. This mode of operation is used when a user wants to have several Wi-Fi devices talking to each other without any router. On connecting to the ESP32 access point, ESP32 provides a unique IP address to the device connected. Using any of the two Wi-Fi modes of ESP32, we can build web server pages by including JavaScript libraries. We will see in detail how to do this later in this course. That is all, folks. This brings us to the end of this video. Video summary. In this video, we have covered the following topics: Wi-Fi capability of ESP32, station mode aka STA mode, AP mode aka soft AP mode. In the next video, we will see the Wi-Fi station mode implementation.